So today, I'll be taking you through the whole unboxing process of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let me just start by removing the tags or the lapels at the bottom and the top of the box. So just tug and pull. Do the same thing at the top. Tug and pull. And then you can just remove the top layer. So almost immediately, the first thing that you'll see is the S25 Ultra. So here it is in the titanium gray color. And then that's all in the box, just the phone itself. And then at the top box, you have this smaller box, this one right here. And all that's inside, when you open it up, is this smaller compartment. You have the SIM ejector tool right here, and then you have the charging cable and the quick start guide, and here you have a black cable, type C to type C. So those are the small things that you have in the box itself. And then here is the actual S25 Ultra. So this is the titanium gray color. You can even see it's a grayish color. So let's just remove this cover screen like this. And then here you are, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium gray color. Then you also have the S Pen tool right here. You have the charging port, SIM tray, and yeah. So it pretty much looks like exactly the same as the S24 Ultra, just with a bigger screen, slightly smaller bezels. Yeah. So if you want any more videos about the S25 Ultra, then consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like and a comment in the description down below. And stick around for more videos on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra.